Senza SUB12 is pure emotion.
The Essenza SUB12 is the wild side of Lamborghini.
The SUB12 is extreme.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love.
Something unique in terms of project.
You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
We are having a very strong relationship, and we are really developing not only cars that are fast, but they are also beautiful and pure. This is the exciting thing about the Lamborghini. And the design brief was, to create something puristic. The SUB12 Essenza is already, like the name is calling, it's a very puristic design. It is following what is needed on the racetrack. We have a very innovative solution on.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love. You don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
Which makes the driving and the performance even more enjoyable. Many people think that maybe with a V12 engine you have limited possibility to develop, but we discover again that it can be a great base to work, and it has been really an amazing challenge for us.
CV12 is the most ambitious project for SUBCRIBE so far. We put together a lot of technology innovation, starting from the engine, the V12, which is the most powerful V12 ever made by Lambo, and then the gearbox, which is inspired by racing prototypes with a fully stressed gearbox, and the extreme aerodynamics without the constraint of the regulation. We push to the high efficiency and downforce even more than GT cars. And then a special monocoque, which is the highest safety standard comparing to the GT cars without the use of the roll cage.
Essenza Squadra Corse V12 is a pinnacle of our motorsport activity. To realize this kind of fantastic car, we have started from our V12 naturally aspirated engine. Around this, we have built a unique car that is really integrated all the best in terms of technology.
Good morning, hello, and a very warm welcome to the Goodwood Festival of Speed.
One of the greatest noises, certainly the loudest noise in this batch, Erin Baker, is the Lamborghini Essenza. It is full of everything.
It's so cool to driving such a narrow road, going uphill with such a big noise. It's fantastic.